Hey everyone, welcome back. So think back for a second to the sheer electricity of that moment when Switzerland knocked out the reigning world champions. If you're someone who loves to just strip away the filler and get right to the absolute core of an event, well, you are in the exact right place today. We're going to take a highly focused, deeply energetic look at the Switzerland epic match highlights in this explainer. And we aren't just watching these moments, right? We're actually going to break down the anatomy of what makes them so incredibly unforgettable. We're talking about the Swiss national team, a squad that knows exactly how to deliver when tournament pressure is at its absolute peak. So, get comfortable, focus in, and let's get ready for an adrenaline-pumping breakdown of pure athletic momentum.
But really, think about it for a second. What actually separates a standard, run-of-the-mill 90-minute football game from a truly epic match? We've all seen regular games. They have lulls, tactical stalemates, minutes where the ball just kind of cycles around the backline. But an epic match, it feels entirely different. The air in the stadium is thicker, the tackles hit harder, the roar of the crowd literally vibrates through your chest. An epic match is this crazy crescendo of tension that refuses to let up. And when we condense that into a highlight reel, we're left with nothing but pure, unadulterated lightning in a bottle.
All right, let's dive into this. When we call a football match epic, we're not just throwing around a buzzword here. We're talking about a very specific recipe: visceral thrill, high stakes, and monumental athletic execution. It's that feeling in your gut when a striker breaks through a fortified defensive line. It's the heavy knowledge that a single goal could alter the course of an entire European championship. It's watching an athlete push their body to the absolute physical limit just to secure a ball that seemed entirely out of reach. That combination, thrill, stakes, execution, that is the exact emotional weight we're unpacking today.
So, defining the epic match. Essentially, we aren't looking at the whole story. We're curating a gallery of peak human performance, setting the baseline for what we're about to witness from the Swiss squad. To truly understand this, we've got to look at the anatomy of the highlights themselves. First up, absolute peak moments. No jogging back to position, no slow throw-ins, just the good stuff. Second, maximum visual impact. We're talking about shots that look like they belong in a cinematic masterpiece. The diving headers or a Jan Sommer-esque stretch across the goal mouth to deny what looked like an impossible penalty. And third, distilled energy. We're taking the pure essence of those 90 minutes and focusing entirely on the most dynamic, high-octane elements that make your heart race. And right at the center of this kinetic energy, the Swiss national team. They bring a very specific momentum, transforming from a tactical unit into an absolute force of nature.
This contrast is just wild when you really look at it. On one side, you've got standard gameplay, the necessary, methodical chess match of professional football. Think Granit Xhaka expertly controlling the midfield pace. But on the flip side, you have the epic match reality. In this explosive state, time actually seems to behave differently. A single second stretches out as the ball arcs toward the top corner of the net. The regular tempo is just thrown out the window, totally replaced by a hyper-focused reality where every single touch, pass, and block is a matter of absolute tournament survival.
Looking at the Swiss national team's football highlights, you aren't just looking at a season summary. You're looking at a monument to their ability to deliver under immense pressure. It's a promise that we're examining the absolute zenith of their football capabilities, stripping away the ordinary to gaze exclusively at the extraordinary achievements they've carved out on the world stage. Now, epic match highlights. Because when the whistle blows in an epic match, the pace is just relentless. The ball is won, immediately push forward. Xhaka slices through the defense with a perfectly weighted visionary pass. You've got Vargas sprinting down the flank. The cross is whipped into the box with terrifying speed for an Embolo finish. Every single highlight is a burst of kinetic energy, a fast-paced sprint that mirrors that heart-in-your-throat experience of a live broadcast. You literally don't have time to blink. They're reacting faster, striking harder, and playing with an intensity that practically shatters the screen.
But actually, even within all that chaos, there's a clear structure. These moments aren't random. They follow the natural arc of the match itself. We start with the first half build-up, the warning shots, the near misses, establishing dominance, right? Then we accelerate into the second half intensity. Tackles get desperate, attacks get ferocious, and then we hit the stoppage time climax. That singular moment where lungs are burning, legs are heavy, but sheer willpower forces one last massive, game-defining play. The tension escalates perfectly along this timeline.
When a team executes along that timeline, when they survive the intensity and deliver in the climax, it is simply epic. It just leaves you breathless.
So what's really interesting here is the machinery behind those epic moments. This kind of harmony requires three components working seamlessly. You have a defense holding the line, absorbing immense pressure against impossible odds. You have an engine room midfield driving the momentum, turning survival into a lethal counterattack. And finally, clinical execution up top from the striker. If just one of those gears slips, the highlight never happens. The Swiss national team's greatest matches are built entirely on the seamless integration of these exact tactical roles.
And then, the final whistle blows. The running stops. The climax of the match gives way to the lasting impact of the event. We're standing in the echo of what this team just achieved. So, how do we process a performance like this? Well, first, you witness the highlights, the incredible physical feats. Second, you feel that momentum, that driving, unstoppable force the Swiss team brought to the pitch. And third, you understand the epic impact. You recognize that these compressed moments of greatness are what build a team's legacy in the sport. These performances matter because they're literally the blueprints for operating at absolute peak capacity. Which leaves us with this final burning thought. You've seen the distillation of their absolute best. You understand the anatomy, the arc, and the tactical components of their highlights. Based on this incredible momentum and the sheer willpower we've just unpacked, what heights will the Swiss national team reach next? Because when a squad proves they can operate at this epic level, the only guarantee is that their next match is one you absolutely cannot afford to miss. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer today. Keep enjoying the beautiful game, and I'll see you next time.